Tevi izbēgties nevar, tur nav šķirbas tādas ko.
Oh my god, they are living over there. Do you hear? Oh, they wanna go out. He's bringing the bees. Going away. Hello my subscribers. Today my father is giving me a bees. I don't know what to do with them, but new content, you know, should be great.
Labi.
This is the home.
Good, good.
Chappy. This is the new home for bees.
Tu māju, es varu uzlikt svarīgi kādiem. Ir kaut kādi ir.
Pagaid. Tu man viņus?
Tevi izbēgties nevar, tur nav šķirbas tādas ko.
Oh my god, they are living over there. Do you hear? Oh, they wanna go out.
Ir? Nav pušu? Nav pušu?
Cool. Going back to home. So my name is MrAigars. I'm from Latvia. We are living off-grid. I have 5 kids. And this is the road to monetization. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.
Niekam tačās viņa ika uz bitas. Tur vajag daudz ābeļa.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy.
Good.
Putting in the comb. This is the new one. I think there will be old ones as well. And this is on the side. Cool. Say hello. He's bringing the bees. Oh, this sound. I don't know.
Pagaidām šitā vēl.
If they will fly over me, I will gonna run away.
Iepūtīsim bišķi iekšā.
Davai, jā. Kas te jādara? Es nezinu, kas jādara.
Kas te nav jādara?
Somewhere there is bee.
Lopatiņa.
They are flying everywhere. Going away.
Nekas ir laikam.
Shouldn't move. Anyway.
Tad es neapgāzos.
Braucot?
Sabrunāšanās. Baigi dusmīgās ir. Es jau to māti nemaz nelādīšu to kaniņu, ja? Gan jau tās pats ir.
Nevajag man neko rādīt. Be friendly. Bees are friendly. Do what you should do and that's all.
Tagad pelu. Luikas te mātes iznākusi laukā jāprāt.
I'm not moving. They are flying everywhere.
Tev pat medus ir iekšā, paskaties.
Looks like he's pro. Smokes. He's losing smokes. I'm not moving anymore.
Paskat, vajag uz medus.
Okay.
Tu pilns ar mātēm pienācis.
Whoa. You seen that? Beauty.
Pa.
Nekož? Viss labi?
Pagaidām ir nekoš.
They just flying,
Es
don't
zinu.
biting them.
Šitas jāpēc ciet tagad ir. Te bišu daudz vēl bišu iekšā, paskaties tu bišu. Tātad, ko mēs darām, ja būs māte, viss normāli.
She's sitting on me. She's watching me. Be friendly. You should be my friend. Maybe better I little bit go away. Looks like for this day it's enough. Should leave them. They should go in the house by themselves. Hello my subscribers. I need to cut the grass, but my cutting machine is broken. There was like a piece of block of concrete and I drive in it and break this cutting machine. And there is one more problem. You see there is missing a teeth in this gear. And there is one more problem. There is broken piece as well. This gear I can't find in the local shop. Let's try to fix it. How do you think? Will it hold? Yeah, let's try to fix it.